Hello and welcome back to the channel. So now, as you know, this channel is coming at you from a Nigerian male perspective, and the reason why this channel is coming at you from a Nigerian male perspective is because I am Nigerian, I am male, and obviously this is my perspective, so a Nigerian male perspective. So if I'm coming at you from a Nigerian male perspective, what better thing to do then than to introduce you to the Nigerian society? And what better way to introduce anybody to a society than through the myths and the fables that that society has? So in this video, I am going to be bringing you 5 stories, 5 fables, 5 myths, 5 ghost stories that Nigerians tell their children. So 5 ghost stories or 5 myths that Nigerians tell. So we start off with number 1, bush babies. Bush babies. The bush baby is a myth used to scare school children into minding their own business and staying indoors at night. The bush babies apparently sound like a normal baby or toddler crying. Sometimes the kid will be calling out for help, and the good Samaritan who goes outside to help that little one disappears, never to be seen again. So bush babies is the first myth or the first fable that I'm bringing to you. The second one, Madam Koi Koi. Madam Koi Koi. That Koi Koi is spelled K-O-I. So Madam Koi Koi. So this is the legend of Madam Koi Koi. There are several versions to this story, but this is the version that I'm telling you. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful teacher in a secondary school. She was known for her beauty and her red high heels. Whenever she walked in the hallways, her shoes will make one sound, koi, koi. After she was fired from the school, she died on her way home. Before she died, however, she swore that she would have her revenge on the school and its students. And not long after that, every night, in the dead of night, when the students go to their dormitory, they hear this eerie sound of footsteps, koi, koi, koi. So that is the legend of Madam Koi Koi. Next up, we have Oroma or Rebecca. Oroma or Rebecca. Not exactly a ghost, but it is believed that this schoolgirl always had the finest, most beautifully made and neatest hairstyle. However, whenever she was asked who made her hair, she would never say. One night, one of her roommates woke up in the middle of the night and let out a scream when she saw the girl headless, plaiting her own hair. So the girl apparently takes off her head and plaits her own hair. So Rebecca or Oroma, that's the next one. So Rebecca or Oroma, that's number 3. Number 4, we have Jinn, J-I-N-N, Jinn. No one knows what a jinn looks like, but it is believed that they are creatures that are like humans. School children of Islamic upbringing are usually the ones who believe in this myth. They are said to only reveal themselves to people who seek them out. So number 4, jinn. And at number 5, the ever popular Mami Water. Mami Water. Now this is a story that is familiar to virtually every Nigerian. If you are familiar with the urban legend of mermaids, then this is a very easy one to understand. That is what a Mami Water is in the Nigerian lingo. They are believed to be extremely beautiful and attractive women who scour the earth looking for men to devour and take back to their river or water or ocean kingdom. So that's the Mami Water legend. So those are 5 Nigerian myths and legends and fables and school children stories that people tell to their children. So what are your fables? What are the fables of your culture, or what fables do you know? Share your fables with me in the comment section. But before we go to the comment section to tell each other tall tales, remember to click on that subscribe button. Make sure it goes from red to gray. Then click on that bell button for the notification as well. So haven't done that, come meet me in the comment section so that we can tell each other tales. I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section where this story carries on. So leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.